Hello everyone, welcome to this third video of Chrome extension programming tutorial. In this video I'll be showing you how to add pop-ups to your Chrome extension. Pop-ups are basic user interface added to the Chrome extension. So first let me show you what I have done till now. This is a manifest.json file. In this I have set the name, description, version and manifest version number, and I have added some icons to it. This is how the icon looks like. So when I load this in my Chrome extension online, first let me click on the developer mode, load unpack extension, and this is my browser pop-up extension that I had created. You can see I can see the icon here, but when I click on let me first pin this on my navigation bar. You can see that the icon is not colorful, it's in grayscale. That because the icon has not been activated to do any task. So we'll add a pop-up here. To add a pop-up you need to set browser action, and in browser action you need to set two values: default title, that is the title that would be visible when the user hovers over that icon. Let's call it demo pop-up HTML, and the second is default pop-up. This default pop-up is actually the location to this to our index.html file. Every pop-up is basically an HTML file. So let's set it here as index.html. And when I reload this again and click on this icon, you can see that a single entry is visible, that is the HTML file. And that's all about pop-ups in Chrome extension. And the title you will see when you hover over it, demo pop-up HTML. And if you haven't set this default title value, then the name value would be used in its place. So when you hover over it now, let me reload it first. When you hover over it now, it says pop-up demo, which is the main name of this file. And if you haven't set this default pop-up, then no pop-up would be visible, and when you click on it nothing else. Just let me reload it again. And when you click on it nothing would happen, but when you hover over it, pop-up demo would be visible. So there's no compulsory entries for browser action. And to add a pop-up you need to set the default pop-up value, which is the location to an index.html file. And in our next video we'll be adding logic to these pop-ups and using them for user interface. Thank you.